Hello friends, Oindrala from Moorpunk Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Another quick and short video. All these handcrafted stuffs take so much time to get it done and recreate it. Though I always maintain a very unique and a very specific design, definitely I don't repeat any of my designs, but I just repeat the concept. So I do that in with different colors, different base fabric. So I just love to play with these kind of designings. So quickly, this video is particularly about four butterfly saris which have come to me. Butterfly saris, this applique cutwork butterflies with organza, organza filling were extremely in demand recently. I had showcased in the beginning of the summer. So now there are four saris of that have come to me, and so I just want to show it to you and quickly select yours, otherwise they will also go away. The first one is this. Do you see the butterflies? This is a beautiful handloom Dhaniakhali cotton fabric, soft and nice, with this kind of butterfly applique. And this is the blouse piece I have teamed up. So the blouse piece has little sheen because it is cotton by viscose. The blouse piece has little sheen because it is cotton by viscose. So that's the combination. I'll just open quickly and show it to you. The butterflies are all in the pallu, flying nicely. See the colors, absolutely, and see the transparency because the back of the butterfly is an organza fabric. It's an organza fabric, so all the colors are different and very pastel. It's a pastel palette. It's a lovely pastel palette. So that's the palla. That is the palla. Lovely butterfly, and it's very soft, nice cotton, very soft and nice cotton, so that you can just quickly drape and quickly make the pleats and do your so that's the one. So that's the whole look of the sari. So the lower this kind of butterflies are there all over, like this, all over in the palla, and lovely get up. Sorry, on the pleats. It's always a confusion of saying palla and pleats. So these are the colors basically. If I can show you, so these are the lovely butterfly colors. So I have teamed the blouse piece with one of these color choices. I had plenty of the choices, but I felt that this sea green would look the best with this kind of combination. So, and it's also not exactly what you are seeing here. It's a very nice muted sea green color along with the butterflies. So that's sari number one. These sari blouse are for 3500, 3500 plus shipping. The second one is a short green color, amazingly beautiful green color, short green color. See, again the butterflies are merrily flying. This butterfly concept has been actually given to me by my brother. I mean, he inspired me to make butterfly saris. He inspired me, butterfly saris because he is a forest officer, and he keeps telling me, why don't you emulate the natural environment and do something. So after doing this creation, I just felt that it has come so nice for the first time only, and now for the second time I am showcasing. So that's the pleat. Very soft and nice cotton, and very easy breezy wear. Lovely handloom cotton, pure handloom cotton. So that's the pleat part. And so that's the whole sari. It's a nice, simple, elegant wear, and you can just flaunt your butterflies wherever you want to. So that's the combination, and I have teamed up this color blouse piece. This is the blouse piece I have teamed up. So that's the blouse. So basically these have sheen, these have little sheen. So the blouse I have teamed up with them is plain and nice, so that It looks absolutely perfect. So sari number 2. Sari number 3 is a light new leaf green color. It's a light new leaf green color. Very, very attractive pastel. New leaf green color. So that's the color. That's the color. So, I think that's the combination. If I can show you from a closer view. So that's the combination. That's the palla. See the colors, kind of a golden, then it is a lighter shade of gray, then it is blue. This is like sort of a bottle green, and this is a magenta, this is a brown, chocolate brown. So I mean, see the colors, I mean, so that's the getup. That's the getup. Yeah, so that's the getup. That's the palla. And with this, I have golden green kind of a color. I have teamed up a golden green kind of a color. So this color basically kind of going with this. Or else if you want, I can change it to a pink also. Somebody, if you want a pink color like this shade also I have. So this. But I just thought that this kind of a color will give a little, contrast to the body. And the sari will look, see, the sari will look very nice, very, very different, unique, and quite an exclusive combination. So sari number 3. And the last one in the series is a peach butterfly. That's a peach butterfly, which is peach color. Lovely peach color. Again, pastels. And all this handloom fabric are like nothing to say about the colors, because the the yarn, the basic plain cotton yarn, see how beautiful, how beautiful. I'm so happy showcasing this series, this sarees. See, absolutely lovely one. Whoever has missed out for the last time, just quickly pick them up. Otherwise, they will also go any moment. They will just go any moment. So that's the sari, and that's the pleat part where multiple butterflies are there. And so these are the colors basically: peach, steel gray, this chocolate brown, this kind of a moss green, and so these kind of colors. And I have teamed it up with a shade matching to this kind of a this shade matching to this one, this butterfly. So that's the blouse piece. That's the blouse piece. So that's the final one in this series, and all the sarees are priced at 3500 with blouse plus shipping. Thank you so much.